Today, we are going to make three 30-minute noodle meals. One is going to be chicken, one is going to be pork, and the last is going to be a vegan option. Let's get started. We are going to make chicken lo mein. We have scallions, linguine, chicken breast, ginger, and snap peas are the main ingredients. First thing we do is we chop the snap peas into halves. You can remove the ends if you want. I like to do it. The next thing we do is, what do we do next? Yes. We chop the scallions, thinly slice them into nice little pieces. We're going to save those things for later. Next, we have the ginger. We want to get about 3 tablespoons of ginger. I like to cut off the big pieces, then take off the skin, and then we chop, and you're done. Not that much, not that hard. Next, we take the chicken breast, pound it all out to make it nice and flat and thin and even. Better for the cooking. And then we chop the strips up into about 1.5 inch long strips of chicken breast. Next, we mix the sauce, add tamari, chicken broth concentrate, salt, vinegar, sugar, and mix it all up. Then we put the chicken inside the pan. Let it cook for a little bit. Add a little salt and pepper while you're at it. Flip it over. Add ginger, scallions, get the aromatics going. Mix that all up. Next, we add a little more olive oil. Then we add the shredded cabbage, snap peas, mix it all up. Then we add the tamari broth. Get it nice and simmering, a little more chicken broth to give a little flavor. Add the linguine, add the chicken, a little sesame seeds, mix it all up. And you're just about done. All you gotta do now is plate it. Vietnamese pork chops. Alright, so we got the pork chops, cilantro, mint, noodles, lime, pea pods, whole bunch of stuff. First thing we do is chop the garlic. I like to crush it first, and then we do chop. Then we have the pea pods. Again, I like to take off the ends of it, put it to the side. And then we take the cilantro and just chop the whole thing up. Put that to the side. Take the mint, pick the leaves from the mint. Take the jalapeno peppers, don't put it in your eyes. Chop that up in nice little pieces. Take a lime, cut that in half. Make some lime juice. Get the pork chops. Pound those suckers out so they're nice and small, even. Then get some tamari, lime juice, garlic, sugar, salt, pepper, mix it all up, and then we marinate the pork chops in the sauce. In another bowl, we put some lime juice, some garlic, salt and pepper, some sugar, jalapenos, and then we add the stir-fry noodles. Mix it all up with the dressing. And then we get the frying pan, put the snow peas in there, get them nice and crispy. And then we add the peas to the noodles. Take the same pan, put the pork chops in there, let them sink, let them cook. Now put it on the cooking board and let it rest for 5 minutes. And then you cut it up into nice little strips. You take the pasta mix, a little mint and cilantro in there, then put it on your plates. And then you put the pork chops on top, garnish it with a couple of mint leaves, and you get yourself a good meal. Alright. The next meal we're going to make is veggie rice noodle stir fry with a coconut lime sauce. Now we have all the ingredients: carrots, celery, scallions, pasta, and a whole bunch of other things. First thing we do is thinly slice the scallions. Then we slice up the celery. And then we slice up the carrots. Nice thin circles. Now we take the cilantro, pick the leaves from the stems, and then we chop up the stems nice and fine. Put those to the side. Take a lime, cut it into 4s and make some lime juice. Take the pepper, chop that sucker up to nice little pieces. And now we add coconut milk and powder, plus some water, sriracha, lime juice, some salt. Mix it all up nice. And then we make the noodles. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes until they're nice and tender. Throw them in there, boil them up. Now we add carrots, peppers, celery. Mix it all up. Give a nice little toast. Add the coconut milk and lime juice and let it simmer, simmer, simmer. Mix it all up. Let it simmer, simmer, simmer until it's about tender. Throw in the noodles, mix that all up, and you're basically done. Put it in a plate, call it a day, and you have yourself a nice meal. Sprinkle off a little cilantro leaves to make it all nice, and you're done. I just want to say thank you for cooking with your part-time chef. And please tell me which meal you like the best below in the comment section. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.